12 low-calorie fruit smoothies. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel Father007. I'm Adnan Ayaz, and we have 12 low-calorie fruit smoothies.
Healthy low-calorie smoothies. Bingo! Press a button and serve up most of your family's daily fruit intake. The recommended goal is 2 cups of fruit a day, and these 12-ounce blends go a long way toward that. Some have a few veggies, too. If someone's a picky eater, well, he or she doesn't need to know you mixed beets in with the berries, until after they serve up a big smile. First up, berries and beets. 1 cup fresh blueberries plus 1 2-cup fresh or frozen raspberries plus 1 3-cup sliced cooked beets plus 1 4-cup non-fat Greek yogurt plus 1 4-cup fresh orange juice plus 1 teaspoon light agave nectar. 219 calories. Banned smoothie. View our recipe, Banned smoothie. Blend up the flavors of this kid-friendly duo into a cool, creamy smoothie. Add the ingredients to the blender as listed in the recipe for the smoothest results. You can use frozen fruit instead of fresh fruit and ice, adding water as needed to thin it out. Berry and beet green smoothie. View our recipe, berry and beet green smoothie. A lot of people give smoothies a short blend at full power, but that doesn't give the best results. Starting at low speed and gradually increasing power lets the blades work better, breaking the ingredients down evenly and at the same time. Strawberry and basil. Savor the flavors of summer with this fresh and bright smoothie that can be enjoyed any time of day. Fresh strawberries can be used during the summer, while frozen berries provide the sweet flavor all year round. This smoothie can enjoy for breakfast or as a light afternoon pick-me-up. 2 cups frozen strawberries plus 1 2-cup loosely packed basil leaves plus 3 4-cup original, unsweetened almond milk plus 1 4-cup Greek yogurt plus 1 tablespoon honey. Serves 2 10 ounces serving. Calories 117. Ginger, berries and oats. 1 4-cup prepared oatmeal plus 1 4-cup 1% low-fat milk plus 1 2 teaspoon grated fresh ginger plus 1 cup fresh blackberries plus 1 2-cup sliced strawberries plus 1 teaspoon honey plus 1 2-cup ice. 179 calories. Grapefruit, peach and ginger smoothie. Packed with flavor, this smoothie provides a citrus tang with the spice from fresh ginger. The whole smoothie comes together with the creaminess from the banana and sweetness of the peaches. During the summer, fresh peaches can be substituted for frozen. 1 cup fresh squeezed grapefruit juice plus 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger plus 1 cup of frozen peaches plus 1 2 frozen banana plus 1 2 teaspoon chopped mint. Serves 1 15 ounces serving. Calories 223. Peanut butter berry. 1 4-cup 1% low-fat milk plus 1 2 medium-ripe banana plus 1 tablespoon creamy peanut butter plus 1 cup fresh or frozen raspberries plus 1 2-cup crushed ice. 237 calories. Spinach and almond butter. Loaded with protein and fiber, this smoothie is a great way to get your day started or a sip after a hard workout. This green smoothie is creamy, fresh and flavorful with just a pinch of cinnamon. If you like your smoothies more sweet, try adding a 1/4 teaspoon of honey. 1 tablespoon almond butter plus 1 2-cup fresh spinach plus 1 cup unsweetened almond milk plus 1 2 frozen banana plus 1 2 teaspoon cinnamon. Serves 1 13 ounces serving. 189 calories. Watermelon with a hint of mint. 2 cups seedless watermelon plus 2 tablespoons fresh mint plus 1 3-cup 2% plain Greek yogurt. 98 calories. Chocolate-covered cherry breakfast smoothie. All the rich decadence of chocolate-covered cherries without the added sugar. Enjoy this smoothie as a light yet creamy chocolate dessert with just the perfect fruity hint. This smoothie doesn't skimp on fiber either thanks to the added spinach. 2 cups frozen dark cherries plus 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder plus 6 ounces unsweetened original almond milk plus 2 cups spinach. Serves 2 9 ounces serving. 96 calories. Peaches and cream. 1 2 cups sliced fresh peaches plus 1 2-cup non-fat buttermilk plus 1 2 medium banana plus 2 teaspoons honey plus 1 2-cup crushed ice. 231 calorie. Berry, cream, and overnight oats smoothie. This overnight oats smoothie is everything you love about breakfast rolled into one delicious and healthy cup. Did you know that in order for your body to absorb all the nutrients from flax seeds they must be ground, Not whole? This breakfast smoothie is high in protein, nutrients, and tastes even better than it looks. 1 4-cup old-fashioned rolled oats plus 12-cup original, unsweetened almond milk plus 1 2-cup frozen blackberries plus 1 2-cup frozen blueberries plus 1 2-cup fresh diced strawberries plus 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed plus 2 teaspoon honey. Serves 2 7 ounces serving. 137 calories. Pineapple pina colada. 1 2 medium banana plus 1 4-cup light coconut milk plus 1 cup chopped fresh pineapple plus 1 4-cup chilled pineapple juice plus 1 2-cup crushed ice. 203 calories. Strawberry coconut smoothie. Sip on a strawberry coconut smoothie as a sweet start or end to your day. You'll never crave strawberry ice cream again after having this creamy smoothie with a banana and yogurt base. The additional pinch of shredded coconut on top adds great texture as you happily savor the fruit-filled goodness. 1 cup frozen strawberries plus 1 frozen banana plus 1 4-cup of original, unsweetened almond milk plus 1 4-cup shredded unsweetened coconut plus 1 4-cup of 2% Greek yogurt plus 1 pitted date. Serves 2 8 ounces serving. 192 calories. Creamy mango, avocado and lime. 1 4-cup sliced avocado plus 1 cup sliced champagne mango plus 1 tablespoon lime juice plus 1 tablespoon fresh mint plus 1 teaspoon honey plus 2 cups crushed ice. 191 calories. Cashew and peach. Creamy, nutty and high in protein. This healthy, low-calorie smoothie hits all the right notes. You can also try these as frozen pops by making the smoothie mixture in your blender, then pouring into pop molds and freezing for 4 hours. You can substitute frozen peaches for fresh during summer months. 1 cup frozen peaches plus 1 4-cup cashew milk plus 2 tablespoons cashew butter plus 1 frozen banana plus 1 2% Greek yogurt. Serves 2 7.5 ounces serving. 202 calories. Green machine. 1 cup fresh baby spinach leaves plus 2 cups chopped fresh honeydew plus 3-cup non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt. 162 calorie.
I hope you like all these. Try them, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Have a wonderful day.